Welcome back to Techsplorer, your go-to channel for the latest and most exciting tech reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Nothing Phone 3a. Building on the success of its predecessors, the Phone 3a delivers a 6.55-inch AMOLED display, a Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, a 50MP triple camera setup with a telephoto lens, and a 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. But is the Nothing Phone 3a worth the hype? Let's dive into the design, performance, and features to find out. The Nothing Phone 3a carries forward the brand's signature design with its transparent back panel and customizable LED glyphs. These lights not only add a futuristic aesthetic but also serve as functional indicators for calls, notifications, and charging. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus on both sides and an aluminum frame, the phone feels premium and durable. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it comfortable to use, while the IP54 rating provides protection against dust and water splashes. The 6.55-inch AMOLED display is a treat for your eyes. With full HD Plus resolution and HDR10 Plus support, the screen offers vivid colors, deep blacks, and excellent contrast. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery smooth animations, making everything from gaming to scrolling through social media a delight. The peak brightness of 1200 nits guarantees clear visibility even in direct sunlight. This display truly enhances your multimedia and daily usage experience, setting a high standard for mid-range phones. At the heart of the Nothing Phone 3a is the Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processor, which strikes a perfect balance between power and efficiency. Built on 4nm architecture, this chipset ensures smooth performance whether you're multitasking, gaming, or running intensive applications. Paired with up to 12GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, the Phone 3a delivers fast app launches and seamless multitasking. And with Nothing OS 3.0 based on Android 15, you'll enjoy a clean, bloat-free interface with innovative features tailored for an intuitive user experience. The Nothing Phone 3a doesn't disappoint in the camera department. Its 50MP triple camera system is designed to capture stunning photos in any situation. The primary 50MP sensor delivers sharp, vibrant images with excellent dynamic range. The ultra-wide lens lets you capture more in your frame, perfect for landscapes and group shots. The addition of a telephoto lens brings versatility to the setup, allowing for 3x optical zoom without compromising quality. The phone also supports 4K video recording with advanced AI stabilization, ensuring smooth and professional-looking videos. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera takes detailed and natural-looking selfies, making it a great choice for content creators. Battery life is another strong point of the Nothing Phone 3a. The 5000 mAh battery ensures a full day of heavy use, and the inclusion of 33W fast charging means you'll spend less time plugged in and more time enjoying your phone. Additionally, the device supports 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, adding to its convenience and flexibility. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go, the Nothing Phone 3a keeps up with your demands. The Nothing Phone 3a runs on Nothing OS 3.0, offering a minimalistic and user-friendly experience. From glyph customizations to unique gestures and animations, the software feels refreshingly different. The inclusion of eSIM support adds to the phone's versatility, allowing you to use dual SIMs without the need for a physical second slot. Whether for work or travel, Switching between networks is seamless and hassle-free. With its IP54 rating, the Nothing Phone 3 offers resistance to dust and light splashes, ensuring durability in everyday situations. The transparent design is both eye-catching and functional, adding a layer of uniqueness to the phone. The stereo speakers and high-res audio certification enhance the multimedia experience, making the Phone 3 an excellent choice for entertainment on the go. Priced at approximately $449, the Nothing Phone 3 competes with devices like the Realme 14 Pro Plus and the Google Pixel 9a. While each device has its strengths, the Phone 3 stands out with its unique design, LED glyphs, and balanced performance. So, is the Nothing Phone 3 the right phone for you? If you're looking for a stylish device with a vivid AMOLED display, versatile cameras, and solid battery life, it's hard to go wrong with this one. What are your thoughts on the Nothing Phone 3a? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechXplorer for more in-depth reviews and updates. See you in the next video.